What you eating, Adele?
Carrots.
Carrots. Wow. Do you like carrots? Do you like eating? I see you're wearing your hood.
More, please. Say more, please.
Or just chomp them down. Ooh, nice. So Adelaide's been eating all sorts of new foods, but she does like her go-to carrots and squash and things like that.
Sweet potatoes.
A new thing she's been doing is working this tongue, so you can see it. Really going for it. Let's get another closer look at that. Let's see. There it is. Oh, is that delicious? Yeah, she loves eating and loves exercising her tongue muscle.
Say more, please.
Give us one more bite. And ah.